Most people do not believe me and what I do, and that's okay. You don't need to believe me. All I ask is that you listen to what my clients have to say. Kevin had chronic pain from a herniated disc. You can see his real-life MRIs right here. He was using a stroller to get around, and within 4 days of taking my online program for healing lower back pain, he was able to walk unassisted. Let's listen to what he has to say.
I'm Kevin, and I'm a patient of Dr. Kim. I'm going to tell you how I became a patient and what led up to that. Last August 2024, I injured my back while teaching a roundhouse kick as a martial art instructor. And the next day, I couldn't walk. The pain was too severe. I couldn't even hardly breathe. I had a chiropractor friend that worked on me for a couple of weeks to stabilize me, and I was using a stroller to get around at that point. And he suggested I get an MRI to look at my back, so I went to a orthopedist who did an MRI, and I found I have a herniated disc on my L4. He gave some anti-inflammatories that did nothing. Went on for 4 months on physical therapy, and they got me from the stroller to hobbling around with a cane, kind of bent over, and then tried an injection of a steroid into my back, which was pretty good for about 3 or 4 days, and then the pain came back even stronger than before. And I had an appointment set up with my orthopedist to discuss surgery, and where he wanted to fuse my spine. I wasn't going to allow that to happen, so I was kind of resigned to the fact I'm going to be disabled and probably in a wheelchair with a shortened life. I started looking for non-surgical ways of dealing with it, and saw a lot of different back programs, some obvious scams, other ones contradictory. Just even trying their sample things on the internet hurt. I kept on seeing Dr. Kim's pop up, so I thought I'd give it a try. I looked at her website. She had a sample to try there, and it actually felt good. I went ahead and purchased her program, and within the 4th day, I was able to walk without a cane. On the 5th day, I was mowing the grass, and it gave me such great hope. Emailed her, and I was surprised she responded right away, and so I set up one-on-ones with her, and she's personalized the program to make things even better as we've gone along. So this is my 8th week with her personally, one-on-one. So in the last 8 weeks, I've gone from being on a cane to where I'm walking normally again. I have good posture. I am walking without a cane, walking much faster too, able to hike in the woods, just now starting to get back into the martial arts, and I don't have pain anymore. So that's the main thing that came to see her about. But then there's side effects, like I have better sleep, dreams, my skin is not as dry as it had been. I had I guess they might have been lymph nodes or something. There were swellings in my neck, one over my kidney, another one. They went away, and overall I just feel much better. I feel great. So I'm going to continue this with Dr. Kim, and I recommend anyone else with back pain to see her. Her method is a little different than the other somatic programs I've seen out there. It's very synergistic from the beginning to the end. It's not just physically healing, but I really think spiritually as well. So it's my strong recommendation to give her a try. I've had 2 other friends I've recommended, and they both have seen some positive results.
If you're intrigued by Kevin's testimonial, there's a lot more where that came from. Please check out my channel to see all of my other client testimonials and hear their stories from their own mouths. I'm Dr. Kim, and I help you heal chronic pain using holistic methods. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.